Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM31. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Thermomix TM31 is making a horrible grinding noise, it's likely due to a problem with the blades or the motor. This grinding can be caused by worn-out bearings or debris caught in the mechanism. If left unaddressed, it could lead to more significant damage, resulting in costly repairs. Let's get started on fixing it. For this repair, you will need a screwdriver, specifically a Torx T20, some silicone grease, and a clean cloth. First, ensure the device is unplugged to avoid any accidents. Begin by carefully removing the lid and the bowl from the Thermomix. Once these are off, you can access the base where the motor is located. You'll see several screws securing the base cover. Using your Torx T20 screwdriver, remove these screws, making sure to keep them in a safe place for reassembly. Once the screws are out, gently lift the base cover off, taking care not to damage any connectors. Now you should be able to see the motor and the blades. The grinding noise often originates from the blades themselves, or sometimes from the motor. Inspect the blades for any signs of wear or debris. If you notice anything caught in the blades, carefully remove it with a clean cloth. If the blades appear damaged, you will need to replace them. To do this, locate the securing screw on the blade assembly and remove it using the Torx T20 screwdriver. Gently wiggle the blade assembly to detach it from the motor shaft. If you feel any resistance, do not force it, as this could damage the motor. Instead, check for any additional screws or clips that may be holding it in place. Once the blades are free, take your new blade assembly and align it with the motor shaft. Secure it in place with the screw you previously removed. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After securely attaching the new blades, apply a small amount of silicone grease to ensure smooth operation. Now, replace the base cover by aligning it correctly and securing it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tightened properly, but be cautious not to over-tighten, as this could lead to further issues. Reattach the bowl and lid, ensuring they fit snugly. Finally, plug the device back in and give it a test run. You should notice a significant reduction in noise if the repair was successful. To prevent this issue from recurring, ensure you regularly clean your Thermomix and check for any debris that could affect the blades. Avoid overloading the device beyond its capacity, as this can lead to undue strain on the motor and blades. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.